that prophecy about His Excellency John Mahama becoming the president of Ghana, nothing can change it. Even Reagan cannot change it. Even Reagan cannot change it. Nothing can change that prophecy. Because true prophetic words don't emanate from the imaginations of men. Like last night, some people send me videos by certain prophet in town, like Prophet Kusibuaten, like Prophet Isaac Anto, like Prophet Hubert Angel, and they were asking me, this is what these men of God have said about the 2024 election. What do you have to say? And I said, prophecy is not about opinion. So I cannot share my opinion on what they say that God said. I can only say what God has said. And what God has told me is that His Excellency John Mahama will be the next president. That's what God has told me. So I'm not. Someone say God showed him. How do I now share opinion on what someone have seen? It's the size of my eyes. I say it's not in my eye. So what do you want me to give opinion about other people's prophecy? Are they prophet of God? Yes. Powerful prophet of God. Prophet Kusibuatin, powerful prophet of God. Started prophetic ministry many years ago. Prophet Isaac Anto, powerful prophet of God. Started prophetic ministry many years ago. Hubert Angel, great prophet of God, powerful prophet of God. I don't know when he started this ministry, but this one I can talk about them. Yeah, I don't know when Hubert Angel started this ministry. I started 25 years ago. Before I started, Prophet Kusibuatin was already in this thing called ministry. Are you with me, somebody? So it's not what he has said that you want me to share an opinion. So it looks like we are fighting. We are not fighting. We are saying, everybody is saying what God has said. It is after, and they are saying 9th. And I'm telling you that by 8, we will know who had won the election. It's not about anything. Do you know why I mention it? So that you know that. So that when I say to you, don't say, I'm saying this and I'm afraid. I'm not afraid of anybody. I honor everybody. Prophet Osibamba says that God has shown him that Mahama is winning. I can't share my opinion. That's what he have seen, and that's what I have seen, and that's what all of them have seen. So we are sharing what we have seen. But you know that I had another vision today. I was telling my wife and I don't understand that why this is the only election in my life. I tell you that I keep having vision every time. I stand on this altar and by prophetic declaration that prophecy about His Excellency John Mahama becoming the president of Ghana, nothing can change it. Even Reagan cannot change it. Even Reagan cannot change it. Nothing can change that prophecy. His Excellency John Mahama, after 7 December, you will be elected. You will be declared by the Electoral Commission, and you'll be sworn in by the Chief Justice as the 6th president of the 4th Republic. We don't prophesy with feelings, so we don't prophesy with expect. You can ask the government. I prophesied to the government. Ask if you are giving 1 Ghana city before. You can ask him. We don't prophesy because we are looking for anything. I said I prophesied the government in becoming the government. Ask him that since he became government, whether he had given 1 Ghana. You are the prophet. Yeah, ask him. So we don't prophesy because we are looking for something. We prophesy because that is what we have seen. I don't need anything from His Excellency John Mahama. That is what I have seen. That in this election, Ghanaians are going to vote for him. Ghanaians are going to exercise their choice, and he will become the choice of Ghanaian. Where it's not about debate. Someone said we should debate. Debate about what? Now, some few days away. Why don't you have the patience? You have been able to wait out from January till. Why can't you wait in some few minutes? Debate. Which debate? Now, it's prophetic was subjected to debate. It's prophetic word subjected to debate. I am not a political prophet. I am not. Maybe you don't know me yet. You know, my name is Bernard. Maybe you don't know me yet. Me say, yeah, me wuna me can. Me say, Kroma, we don't respect gift. It's in this country, both NDC and PP, and they don't respect gift. That is the truth. The reason why you see people are happy for me is because I said they will win. And they think me, I'm not a fool. That's why they are happy with me. If I said they will be sad. The NP have been happy with me all this while. Their members of parliament come here, they call me. But immediately I said they would know with everybody have disconnected. And I don't know whether they think that before they became a member, was I not Bernard Elbernard? I don't have any house anywhere, because that's not what I'm looking for. I don't have any house. Me, I have seen 400 students through university. I don't have any land anywhere. That people are looking for. That's not what I'm looking for. So when I'm prophesying, I'm not prophesying because I want something from you. Do you think I'm in ministry because I'm looking for something? Me, I live a selfless life. I live a selfless life. That is what I live. And that's what I have done for 18 years in this city. In the Meshan Koma, and say me pe bibio. And say me pe bibi. Mashan come say, let Ghanaians get angry. Their anger will be seen by voting for His Excellency John Mahama. Someone said, why did you go for their distance? I wouldn't have gone, because all my life, you won't see me anywhere. You won't see me anywhere for whatever reason. I went because someone I respect and Anna said, sir, go. That's why I went there. Into bufu I said, "Uno bufu." Say, "Meji asore." Na uja asore, dey na de be asore. If you stop church, what will it do to church? I am not the pastors looking for church members. Me, I'm looking for souls. So if I preach Christ to you, you become born again. You can attend any other church. It's not my problem. Are you with me, somebody? You can get angry. Yes, me found. Since how many of us have I told you? Oh, vote for this. I don't have that time. Because you see, I am so sure of what I have seen. I am so sure of what I have seen. Eza. Eyezusa. Are you in church? Someone said, when did he come? My brother, when I started this, you were in class 3, so keep quiet. When I started prophesying, and this for 25 years, subtract 25 from your age. Subtract, you know where you were. It is political power that has given you a little mouth. So the reason why you are defending what you are defending is because of what you will get. Because you will lose your place as the CEO. It's not because you love Ghana. That's why I'm surprised there are people in this nation who don't think about the welfare of Ghana. They think about their party. We will never be able to develop when we think more about party than the nation. And you think I'm one of them? I'm not one of them. So in 2024, me, if you want to know who I vote for, is John Mahama. If you want to know who I will vote for, John Mahama. Because that is what I have seen. Why? Because the dollar is going high. So that is why. Besides, if I was, God have not shown me, part of the reason I want to vote for him. So if he can come and manage the dollar for us. Now see, the dollar is coming back. It's good. But I pray it's not a political game. Now what you can speak your mind. Say, I'm a pastor, so I should not speak my mind. Am I not a Ghanaian? Me, I am. That's why I say I am me. I'm not a pastor. I'm a prophet, a raw prophet. Do you get me? I understand that there is freedom of speech. I make sure that my freedom of speech will not infringe on somebody's right. Ghana for na mumbuaye Yesham komu yanamu didi atem. Ntebekede ma yenyi bibiaye. So that you go to other people. Didn't you hear Prophet Hubert Angel says that he's going to the Father, Pastor Chris. When he's done, he'll go to mountain something. And when you come and tell us the percentage, at this stage, have you seen probably you have been able to tell us the percentage? Haven't you heard what he's saying? Because this election, many people are afraid to say what God has said. Are you see what I'm saying? Many people think that they have image to keep. Me, Bernard Elbernard, I don't have any image to keep. I don't have any image to keep. Because I did not generate the prophecy. Yes. I don't have any image. I did not generate it. When I see, I have seen. And I can't change what I have seen. I will say what I have seen. You can get angry. I will still say it. So Ghana, tonight I had a vision. Let me look for the vision. I don't understand why I keep having vision about Ghana. Because this election thing, I said, I don't want to have anything to do with all of them. So some people decide to lie with my name. And I said, then I will clear my name. And I will say it so people will know what I have said about the election. I don't even know who you are. Say, now, as of are you doing a campaign? Yes. Yes. Do you know what some of the guys? Let us wait. If it doesn't come to pass, we will run Elbernard out of the country. Look at you. You and who ran who out? You and who? You will not even have what it takes to run me out. Because you are not winning. So if you look at your evil motive, you are not even winning. Say, who ran him out? Now, Ghana, they all my media and I saw Papa there, and I say, yeah. No, I don't know. When people behave as if this Ghana belongs to them, Ghana does not belong to anyone. Me, myself, if not for ministers, I would have become a politician. No? Yeah. So whenever you are dealing with people, see, it hurt. When to some people, the only truth is the truth that favors them. If the truth does not favor them, it is a lie. It's a bad character. At this stage in Ghana, who in Ghana doesn't know Senoma Edi? Do you even need a prophecy to know where we are in Ghana? You don't need anybody to tell you. So if we are saying this, please, even you could be a bit remorseful. Say Kruna Edi. But if anything, you to vote for us. When we come, we will turn things. Don't come and insult us. See, I have told you that when we talk about a prophet, we are talking about bold personality. Now, John the Baptist or kind of Korean Trinity. We know this already before God called us. We are aware. We have been aware of this. We have been aware of the name calling. It's not today you call us name. We have been aware of the threatening. And I keep telling you, there is no week in my life where I am not threatened. But I'm ready. When I said I'm still around. It's not because I said anything about politics. Even before I said anything about politics, people threaten me every day. And some of them, when they threaten me, I dare them. But before I end, let me share the vision I had today with you. So I prayed yesterday when I returned from a program. And as I prayed, I had the vision. In the vision, I saw that Ghanaians had gone out to vote. When they were done voting, then I saw a flag. And when I look at the flag, it was the flag of the National Democratic Congress. And I saw the word victory was written in the middle of the NDC flag. So I asked the angel that works with me, the angel of the Lord, what is this? And the angel said, after this election, His Excellency John Mahama will be declared as the winner of the election. And he will be the next president come 7th of January 2024. That by the night of 8 December 2024, everyone will know that His Excellency John Mahama had won. Amen. So I said, if I have another vision tomorrow, I'll come and tell you. If I haven't and you are not there, I'll go to Facebook and I'll write it. You see, when it comes to Akwanchere, it is a matter of words. That's what people do. Before you know, on both parties, people are doing things. And me, because my integrity is connected to this word, God will also let me do things. Because Ochina, there are things. No, the reason why people can become great because they are not bold. Many people see, but they don't have what it takes to say what they see. Me, I am not NDC prophet. I am not MPP prophet. I'm too big. I am the prophet of God.